Hey, I have an idea. Instead of just slamming the ball on the ground, why don't you let me show you how to do it in correct form?
Sure.
Okay, so the first thing you have to do is get a good grip on the ball and hold it correctly. So what you want to do is take your left hand and put it flat on the ball like this. And then you want to make sure your thumb is on the slant, and then you put take your right hand this. And make sure your right thumb is just a little bit below your left thumb to make like a T angle. Then what you want to do is make sure your arms are in a right angle and an obtuse angle. Then you bend your knees, and when you release, you want to make sure your left hand stays straight and your right hand goes bend. So it goes like this. That's how you shoot a basketball in correct form, and if you do that every time, you'll be guaranteed a swoosh.
Thank you so much.
You're
Now I know
welcome.
how to shoot a basketball.
Exactly. Thank you for watching our How to Shoot a Basketball in Correct Form video.
Bye!